Jambo, and welcome back to my channel. Today you're in for a wild adventure as I take you on a tour of Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge is a deluxe resort located near Disney's Animal Kingdom. The first thing to note is that it is two separate resorts in one. Animal Kingdom's Jambo House is the main resort and Kidani Village is the Disney Vacation Club suites. However, both options have hotel rooms you can book directly through Disney if you are not a Vacation Club member. When you first walk into Jambo House, you are in the grand lobby. The giant viewing window makes it hard for the camera to adjust the lighting, but when you turn around, it's magical. Just take a look at these authentic African artifacts and the warm and welcoming atmosphere. This place truly immerses you in the spirit of Africa. Both Jambo House and Kidani Village have a gift shop. You can find typical Disney merch and snacks, sundries, and even some authentic African souvenirs. Now let's talk about dining options. Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge offers a variety of incredible restaurants. Boma is a buffet and Jiko is a signature restaurant, both offering traditional African dishes. I highly recommend eating at Boma at least once. Sanaa is a table service restaurant located in Kidani Village, and we will get to that later. And lastly, the Mara is the quick service food court style restaurant. Boma and Jiko are located downstairs below the lobby, and to get to the Mara, we have to go outside. To reach the Mara, you'll follow this covered walkway. Here you will find some African offerings, but you'll also find things like chicken nuggets, pizza, and burgers for those wanting a more American fare. Back outside, if you continue down the walkway, you'll find restrooms and laundry, as well as Simba's Cub House, which is an activity center, and Pumbaa's Fun and Games arcade. The arcade is open 24 hours a day and features both new and classic games. Back outside, the pool is just across the walkway. The Uzima Springs pool features a zero-depth entry point, a 67-foot water slide, 2 hot tubs, and a pool bar. As I wasn't staying on property this visit, I couldn't go into the pool, but I do want to point out the foliage around the property. Everywhere you look is green and packed full of plants to represent the feel of being on a safari in Africa. I saved the best for last, the Savanna. It is home to over 200 animals representing more than 30 species, including giraffes, zebras, and gazelles. Some of the rooms have balconies that overlook the Savanna, allowing you to get an up-close and personal view of the wildlife. It's like having a safari right at your doorstep. Beyond the wildlife and dining, there's so much more to explore at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. You can enjoy campfire activities such as making s'mores, movies under the stars, the Hakuna Matata playground, and even a spa. But now let's jump over to Kidani Village because we have a lunch reservation at Sanaa. Kidani Village also offers the same amenities as Jambo House. It has its own pool, dining, and merchandise shop. There is a shuttle that goes between both resorts, and if you are staying at one, you can visit the other's pool as well. Sanaa is a popular restaurant and offers African food with an Indian flair. It's located on the Savanna, so you may also get a table near a window, allowing you to see the animals while you eat. The most popular dish is their bread service, which is naan served with 9 different accompaniments. It's absolutely delicious. I ordered that, and since it was just me, I was definitely not able to finish it. For my main meal, I ordered the pork vindaloo with lentils as my side. It is worth the trip to Animal Kingdom Lodge if you aren't staying at this resort. I enjoyed every bite and I highly recommend it. And that wraps up our tour of Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Don't forget to subscribe for more Disney travel tips.